Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make slime using hair mousse without any glue. This simple guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a fun, stretchy slime. You'll only need a few common household items, making this a perfect activity for anyone. Let's get started by gathering our ingredients and tools, which include hair mousse, cornstarch, a bowl, and a spoon. Now, let's combine our main ingredients. Start by dispensing approximately 1 cup of hair mousse into your mixing bowl. Next, slowly add about 1/2 cup of cornstarch to the mousse. Use your spoon to mix these two ingredients together. You'll notice the mixture starting to thicken and form a paste-like consistency. Keep stirring until it's well combined and smooth, preparing it for the next step. Once your mixture has formed a thick paste, it's time to get hands-on. Carefully transfer the entire mixture from the bowl onto a clean, flat surface. Now, begin to knead the slime with your hands, just like you would dough. Continue kneading for about 5 to 7 minutes. This process helps develop the slime's elasticity and smooth texture. If it feels too sticky, add a very small amount of extra cornstarch. Congratulations! Your homemade hair mousse slime is now complete and ready for hours of fun. This unique slime offers a wonderfully fluffy and stretchy texture, all achieved without a single drop of glue. When you're finished playing, remember to store your slime in an airtight container. This will help keep it fresh and prevent it from drying out, allowing you to enjoy your creation again and again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.